Hello, welcome back to my channel. Wait, I don't like that.
Gotta think before I claim that I want you. Your beauty's running through my veins. It's hard to. Don't know if I'm thinking wrong. The thought of you, it's getting stuck in the middle of this long, long road.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tia. I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, Sunday. I do surprise uploads, bonus videos, so you can subscribe right now. And if you're already subscribed, thank you so much. Today I have one of my favorite wig companies, Freetress Equal, and I have this beauty right here, Valencia. Let me get her card out. She's still in the box and everything. Usually I have them up on a wig head, but I was so excited to use this. And this is part of their a lace part wig line, the 5-inch lace part, so it's just a lace parting, not a lace front. And it says that she is heat safe up to 400 degrees. 5-inch lace parting there. I have her in the color FF Hot Choco or Choco or whatever. She comes in a lot of colors. FF are those face framing colors, so I absolutely love this. I have other wigs in this color that I reviewed in the same line, which is the Melina wig. I definitely have in this color. And then FF Cream and FF Golden Brown. I have Valentino in those colors and also Viva. So you can check out the Freetress Equal playlist or the lace part playlist for any of those. And I scooped her up from Wig Types for just $14.79, so that is a steal. This is Miss Valencia. She's super straight. She is a very light yaki texture, so depending on the air quality, you are definitely going to want to just do like a little spray or put a little like styling cream on her just so you don't get flyaways. Lace parting is really nice. This is a standard cap construction for all their lace part wigs. 2 combs in the front, long lace parting, comb in the back, adjustable straps. Let's get her on and then we'll see what we're talking about. Cha-cha-cha. Ooh, hi Valencia. Wig cap is pretty roomy. Not sure if I would go so far as to say like a large wig cap, but she's roomy. Ear tabs, so she wants to be like a middle part where her ear tabs are. Density is pretty good. This is all the hair to the front. Nice density. This is a manageable density. You could even wear this probably in the summertime, so long as you're not like super sweating. I'm 5'6.5". She's going definitely below my boobage, so she is at least 22 inches. I love the coloring. All right, let me get this chick together and then we will see what my final thoughts are.
You give me chills, and now it's time to be clear. We got a story to share with the world. This is just
Okay, that literally took a hot minute. That's what I love. First of all, Freetress Equal. Second of all, this lace parting line. Ugh. Density is definitely something that you could do summer-esque. I love the length of this. She feels so good. She's gonna have a propensity to maybe tangle a little bit, not a ton, I don't think, but just so you know, because it's a long straight wig, they just tangle, and she's not a full like yaki texture. She's got like a silkier feel, which is nice, but just so you know, she could tangle. Let's look at her from the back. Oh yeah, wig cap is nice. See, it's a nice density. It's enough, but it's not too much. That's the movement on there. Yeah, see, she's quite long. So long as you just, I took some styling cream to her because of the texture, she could be a little bit staticky depending on like where you live, if it's dry. I absolutely love this wig. It's comfortable. I can tell it's going to be easy. I would say this is an easy long wig. Tuck a little bit right here in the back. Look at that. Look it. And you're just like, yeah, chilling, straight hair. What's up? Yeah, absolutely love this wig. I love this line. I mean, I love Freetress Equal in general, but I really like this lace parting line. I think especially if you are newer to wigs, put a little leave out, which you don't even need to, but I just did. Put a little leave out, slap it on, put a little powder in the part. I did take a little bit of heat just because normally I would have her sitting on the wig cap, and I didn't do that this time. So I just put a little bit of heat just to maybe set this down a little bit. But so long as you put it on the wig cap, you don't even really need to do that. A wig cap, wig head, that's what I need to say. And yeah, there you go. I really love her. I love this color. This is definitely like a fall color. So, you know, maybe getting her in the FF cream for summer and then this for fall and winter. Yep. And then maybe like the FF golden for the spring. Yeah. So yeah, that's my review. I love her. 14-15 bucks. You cannot do better. So if you haven't subscribed, please do so. And if you have, thank you so much. If you have another Freetress Equal wig that you want to see me review, put that down below. If you have her and you have her another color, I'd like to have you put that down below as well. And guess what? I'll see you in my next video. Bye.